Effect of dietary intake and lifestyle patterns on glycemic response among people with type 2 diabetes mellitus in Manipur, India. By Mongjam Priyanka Chanu and Namita Singh. Background: diabetes is a chronic disease that occurs either when the pancreas does not produce enough insulin or when the body cannot effectively use the insulin it produces. Its increasing prevalence in India is closely linked to aging populations, more urban lifestyles, and shifts in demographic structures. Objectives: the aim of the study was to examine the association between dietary intake and lifestyle patterns of diabetes patients in Manipur. Materials and methods: tribal and non-tribal respondents between 45 to 64 years of age were randomly selected from the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Hospital Manipur. A total number of 200 study subjects, 100 tribal and 100 non-tribal subjects constituted the study. The chosen age range falls into late middle age, 45 to 64 years old. The information was collected on the sociodemographic profile, clinical, and anthropometric measurements and dietary intakes of the patients by using interview schedules and 24-hour dietary recall methods. The data were analyzed and tabulated using statistical tools such as frequency, percentage, mean, standard deviation, and Pearson's correlation test. Results: the key results indicate that alcohol consumption, elevated triglyceride levels, low energy, oils and sugar intake were notably linked with the prevalence of diabetes. Additionally, low calcium intake, particularly among non-tribal individuals, demonstrated a significant correlation with elevated fasting blood glucose (FBG) levels, suggesting a potential risk factor for type 2 diabetes. Moreover, low calcium intake among the non-tribal community was associated with increased postprandial (PP) test results, indicating a rise in post-meal glucose levels. Conclusion: notably, tribal energy intake and non-tribal protein consumption was significantly associated with HbA1c levels, reflecting their impact on glycemic response. Moving forward, further research and targeted public health strategies are warranted to comprehensively address the multifaceted nature of diabetes prevalence and management within these communities. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.